Attention, if you're a homeowner in Connecticut, Rhode Island, Massachusetts, or New Jersey, did you know that there's a special law in many New England and Mid-Atlantic states that allows you as the homeowner to get a brand new roof for no cost, saving you thousands, providing you qualify?
This video today, I'll show you how to get AF 3D composition roof for virtually nothing. Give me high fives.
Maybe you already have a new roof or it's under 12 years old. We're going ahead and erasing people's electric bills for lower than what they're currently paying to their electric company. Let's get after it.
Housing for cicadas. We had to get everyone a brand new quality roof to protect you and your family without the high upfront costs and high financing rates, and we dramatically reduce your electric bill too.
This is a unique and limited opportunity to get money from Uncle Sam to get a brand new roof that will last you a lifetime or solar that'll save you thousands.
Here's the day, and you just get free power for the rest of your home's existence. You gotta have 3 to 5 hours of sunlight to qualify for that. A few other things, but we'll go over that with you. If you have trees, we'll go ahead and do that as well. Thank you, camera person. Here's $100 grand.
Okay, cool.
Not all roofing and solar companies are created equal.
So how does it sound? What do you think? So if you're a homeowner in Connecticut, Rhode Island, Massachusetts, New Jersey, more to come, and you're ready to see how you can save thousands on your roof, your electric bill, or both, here's what I need you to do now. Simply click the link to see if you qualify and answer the question if you rent your home or if you own your home. Punch in your info and we'll be in touch. Feel free to also schedule an appointment if you'd like with us. You got my calendar there. Just imagine, no more roof leak worries, free electricity, and saving thousands. Let us fight for you, right? For a brand new roof. We'll handle all the paperwork for you and make this easy peasy lemon squeezy, hassle free as possible. We'll get you all the information, we'll leave the decision making up to you, and we'll get you that information in the shortest period of time possible. Take the next steps to see if you qualify. All you have to do is click the link that you see here now. I urge you to act as quickly as possible because there's a limited number of homeowners in your area that will qualify. 50% of people pay nothing and get everything. 50% of people pay $500, $2,500 and get everything. By everything, we mean a brand new roof, a brand new solar system. That's in the permitting, the labor, the warranties, the guarantees, everything. And even our cell phone number because you are a valued customer for life. 90% of contractors do substandard construction. Here at Nat Eco Roofing and Solar, we're committed to exceptional workmanship. When you choose us, you'll be sure you're getting quality work and saving thousands. Look, you can get terrible work done or we can get your work done right the first time. If you wait, the insurance company or the government, they might not cover it all. So what are you waiting for? This is a limited time opportunity that won't be around forever. Click the link you see here below. You'll be glad you did, and I look forward to helping you on the other side.